Hello, my vlog. Zbudila sem se 1 uro nazaj, zato zvenim tako mrtvo. Cool. Danes je dan na Meji Nevidnega. Cosplayam Rio in Lokija, obviously. Mislim, da je this point kova statement, da je na Meji Nevidnega to. Let's go. Zdaj čakam na bus in se cel čas sprašujem, kaj sem pozabila, ne? Well, pozabila sem od Lokija hlače, tako da this is what he will have, change of scenery.
Oh my god, this guy! Yeah, some double bass on me. This is some house songs also.
Yeah. My twin! Oh fuck, Chucky. Okay. Hello! Okay. Hello.
Oh my god. You are back!
I'm back!
It's been so long!
It's been so
Oh my god, we are still friends!
We're doing a giveaway!
Gremo spet rapat!
Yeah, it's been too long! Gremo. Mal bom vlogala, kaj se dogaja. Neko predavanje? The usual. Descendamo dol v gaming zone. Prej sem bila gor, ampak ja. Oh my god. Zdaj smo šli na cosplay catwalk, ampak nisem nič snemala because the music was way too banger and I had to dance. Oops, sorry, I know. Ampak zdaj gremo na photoshoot, sem se prišla malo skupaj spraviti, koliko se je dal. Now we go! Zdaj imamo photoshoot with all of us. Hey, get it. Get it. It's my vlog!
Your
Say
vlog!
hello!
Hey, vlog!
Say hello to my vlog! Someone else joined us. Say hello! To je za moj vlog. Za YouTube.
Super.
I'm
Like and comment and subscribe.
Basically, edino, kar sem delala do zdaj, je šla na Just Dance, like, you know, my typical territory.
The party is lit!
Jaz sva eno ščerko, zapustil sem jo v sredo, prodal sem jo za evro, krabil sem za keto.
Okay, get it.
You're mine.
Yes, I am. Sorry.
Hear the Banshee Queen. Serve the Dark Lady.
Woo!
We are the Forsaken.
We are. Oh my god. Sorry. Yo. Shoot me. Amazing.
Black for as long as I can remember. And sometimes they give me this brain-melting pain. Whenever people see them, they just stare like my hands are wrong somehow. Or I am. really messed me up as a kid. Recto saw it. And that's when he gave me my pill.
What? Oh shit. Oh.
Enough of that. What made you decide to join our band of weirdos? I wouldn't say I joined. It's kind of more like I'm lending a hand until I get what I want from you guys.
Or to the beat, then you gotta be. Oh, okay. Split beat clap. Or to the back clap. Oh.
It's me, your vile villainess, the author of your nightmares, the dread of your... Jinx? Yeah, never heard that before. You're not gonna haul me in? Claim the prize? Be the big hero?
You expect me to believe Jinx, the master criminal, wears pants like that?
What's wrong with my pants?
You look like a half-eaten circus tent.
Oh,
I am Jinx!
Buzzing behind your eyes. Because you know.
Good Hey, hey, oppa. Hey, oh shit, bitch. Woo! Mamacita, please. Oh. Oh. Yes. Oh! Shut up. Don't talk to me. Oh my god. Oh! Shut up. I'm crying. Oh my god. Shut up. I love this book. Where's Faye? Okay. By the way, za cosplaye so vsi bili dobri, ampak jaz rabim škvarat za space. Tako da nisem mogla vseh snemat, but everybody's late. Also, okupila sem si to from Mr. Bubbles again. Good morning. Oh my god, moj glas. Hello. Anyway, good morning. Day 2. Danes cosplayom Lokija. Zdaj se bom zrihtala in počasi gremo. Last day. Jaz sem dan. Nekako mi je ratalo popraviti to lasuljo. We're going as this. This is my drip. My style. Yes. Imam še te horns, obviously. In pol ta očala. I'm going in swag today. Y'all, najdla sem se. No way. That's me, that's me. my god, the bubble tea.
Alkoholičen Pokemon reče. Ja.
Kaj ste vi napisala? Seveda sem vedel odgovor.
Veskaj, da smo še malo družbeno kritični. Nič od tega ni pravilno odgovor.
It is over. Zdaj se rabim sam še... Well, really, sam lasuljo rabim, da dol pa to. So. Ampak ja, it is done. I kind of forgot to make an outro, so editing Luna here, hello, yeah, vlog je bil full kratek zaradi tega, ker again, I don't have space, jaz ne vem, kaj bom s tem jebenim telefonom, ampak ja, nisem kaj veliko kupila, tako da honestly ni hola v tem videu, but it was fun, it was great, ne vem, pogrešam že dobre, what the fuck. Thank you for watching this short vlog in se vidimo v naslednjem. Luna out!